Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into something truly innovative, the Aspect World's first Decor Grow Light. If you're looking to bring the beauty of nature into your home while maintaining an elegant decor, this might just be the perfect solution for you. Stick around as we explore what makes this grow light stand out from the rest. So, what exactly is the Aspect Grow Light? Well, it's not your typical grow light. Designed with both functionality and aesthetics in mind, this light is a game changer for indoor plant enthusiasts. It features a stunning sunset spectrum LED that not only supports plant growth but also adds a warm ambiance to any room. Whether you're growing herbs, succulents, or even dwarf banana trees, this light ensures they thrive beautifully. This unique lighting system mimics natural sunlight, promoting healthy growth and enhancing the beauty of your plants. Crafted from solid aluminum, the Aspect is not only durable but also adds a touch of elegance to your decor. No complex setups here. It comes with all the necessary hardware and installs within minutes. Say goodbye to limitations. With the Aspect, you can place your plants anywhere in your home without worrying about access to natural light. Overall, the Aspect World's first Decor Grow Light is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their indoor gardening experience. With its blend of functionality and elegance, it's no wonder why it's loved by so many. If you're interested in bringing nature indoors with style, I highly recommend checking out the Aspect. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And as always, subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.